Hey everyone, this is Usher. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the 15-inch M4 MacBook Air. This is in the new sky blue color. I also have the 13-inch variant, which I unboxed in a separate video. So if you're interested in that, you can check that video out as well. I also have a few other devices with me. This is the M2 MacBook Air, the 15-inch. As well as the M4 iPad Pro. So if you're interested in any speed tests between the M4 iPad Pro, this is the 13-inch, the M2 MacBook Air, and the M4 MacBook Air, let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. So let's get started with the unboxing. So this is the base model. So you can see the M4 chip with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. This is once again the 15-inch version. And it's sort of nice to have 16 gigabytes now as standard on the base model. So the sky blue color is actually very subtle. In fact, in this lighting, it might even look silver. You can really only tell that it's light blue if it's against a white background, such as here. But if you don't have a white background here, it'll sort of look silver. So I adjusted the camera so you can see the whole MacBook. As you can tell, the 15-inch is quite big actually. And here's the color once again. Just looking around the MacBook, on the left side, we have two USB-C ports and MagSafe. And on the right side, we just have the headphone jack. So compared to the MacBook Pro, we don't have as many ports on the MacBook Air. And so that was the unboxing of the 15-inch M4 MacBook Air. Let me know what videos you want to see next in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.